Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Properly closing your pool for the off-season will not only make it easier to open next spring, but will also protect your valuable investment while it's not being used. The right winterizing process can keep water in good condition, avoiding issues that could cause clouding or create algae, save money on extra maintenance, protect the surface and equipment, and guard equipment against freeze damage. Whether you cover your pool or reduce maintenance during the off-season, or even during extended time away, follow these steps with assistance from the helpful expert, your local BioGuard dealer. 2 to 7 days before closing, have your water fully tested by your BioGuard dealer. If it's out of balance, your dealer will recommend treatment. Brush and vacuum your pool. Clear water lines and plumbing to protect equipment from freeze damage, then clean them. Chemically clean the filter. Add a shock oxidizer and an algicide and run the filter continuously for 24 to 48 hours. Winterize equipment according to the manufacturer's instructions. Follow recommended water draining and covering procedures appropriate to weather conditions in your area. Follow the right steps and consult with your local BioGuard dealer who offers expertise you can trust, in-depth personalized testing, and easy-to-use Arctic Blue product kits to make winterizing painless and ensure your pool will be ready for a great spring opening.
Thanks for watching.